Closing the books in Ramp has never been easier with Ramp's accounting agent. As card transactions clear in Ramp, they flow directly into the accounting tab. The dashboard is easy to navigate by transactions that need review, those ready for export, and easy ways to group or rearrange views directly in the interface. Ramp pulls in fields directly from your accounting system, so you can show only what matters for review and hide the rest without changing your underlying setup. The Needs Review tab shows transactions that still need a quick check before posting. As transactions hit the queue, the accounting agent reviews them automatically. It checks whether required details are present, whether the spend is in policy, and whether the coding matches how your team typically books similar transactions. Based on that, it recommends a next best action, like review expenses or go ahead and mark as ready. If you hover over a recommendation or one of the accounting codings, you'll see a clear explanation. Like this transaction from Lyft, a frequently used ground transportation method, and one we've coded as such before. Ramp will even go to the extent of coding your accounting department and accounting locations on your behalf. Ramp's accounting agent applies real-time coding using receipt data, memos, and your historical booking pattern, delivering over 90% accuracy across required fields. If you ever need to make an edit to a coding, Ramp will simply ask you why. That feedback helps the agent learn and improve in real time. Admins can also leverage coding rules. These are rules you configure to match your team's processes, for simple logic to highly specific conditions. For example, if we wanted to code all Delta airline transactions to that of travel, we could simply create a rule. Here we have the options to code based on the merchant, category, or a specific card, then set the accounting category to what we want. When we make this change, Delta transactions associated with this rule will update for us. For more complex scenarios, users can also leverage advanced rules, where you can create dynamic if-then statements. Here we can build rules off of conditions, like expense type, merchant info, and dollar amount. From there, select the category you want to code to, and even let Ramp mark these expenses as ready to sync when the conditions of this rule have been met. Transactions can be marked ready to sync by an individual user, based on rules, or leveraging Ramp AI, where when coded correctly, we'll mark these transactions ready for you. At close, there's always a few transactions that aren't ready. Ramp lets you automatically accrue that spend so it lands in the right period. Ramp pulls in unsynced card transactions from prior periods, creates an accrual as of month end, and automatically schedules the reversal for the next period. You choose the account and entity, and Ramp will handle all the coding. From there, you can either group one line per transaction or group by GL. When you sync, the journal entry is posted to your accounting system while the original transactions stay in your queue to finish later. From ready to sync, these transactions can be posted one by one or in bulk. You can also enable auto-sync, so approved transactions post overnight. Combined with auto-coding and auto-mark ready, this creates a true swipe-to-close experience. Accounting on Ramp is smart automation, clearer focus, and a faster path from swipe to close. For more information on Ramp's accounting agent, head to the Help Center and get started today.